Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to take an even deeper dive into polarization and see how sticky tape can actually change colors. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. Today, we have two pieces of plastic film, our polarization filter, if you remember from the last experiment that we did. And when you use cellophane tape, not regular tape that you can get in the store, but the cellophane tape, which is a little bit more, because of the way it's made and the molecules, watch what happens. But first, we're gonna go ahead and put these glasses on the camera. Okay, let's take a look at what this looks like with the 3D glasses on. I'm starting here, and notice what happens as I turn it. Can you see the colors? Isn't that pretty cool? All right, I have another one for you. Okay, so how does this happen? Well, when you use cellulose tape, because of the manufacturing process and the way the molecules are, when you actually put tape at different angles and more tape on top of each other, you actually cause it to change color. Again, related to the polarization that we were talking about before. So polarization is used for a lot of things, including refracting light, blocking light, and of course, allowing light through. But why am I sharing this with you? Well, many times in life, we want to be able to see through something. As we've learned before in other videos with polarization, whenever we actually cause the experiment to be having light go from horizontal to horizontal, from horizontal to horizontal, it gets through, or vertical to vertical, it gets through. But if we change one of these, okay, to, let's say the other, such as be horizontal to vertical or vertical horizontal, or vertical to horizontal, it will actually cause it to block, or what we call cross. And so in life, sometimes we black out. And when we're able to just make that slight pivot, we're able to see that our world has many colors. I am John, the Science Guy. Thank you so much for popping by my lab today and learning more about polarization, something that's not just used in sunglasses, but something that will help us achieve our goals in life. If you did like the video, be sure to like, love, support, click on the bell notification icon, smash the subscribe button, and of course, comment below. Click on the PayPal button and make the choice to buy my team and I a cup of coffee, a bowl of fruit, or a savory plate of dessert. Either way, I'll be very grateful. Those pennies and dollars will invest into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, even new facilities to give you those jaw-dropping, impactful science content that has the power to change your life. I'll see you in my lab again real soon. Take care.